Better, I guess, today than at least early tomorrow because we have these remnants from Debbie moving in. And because of that, we already know Kennywood, Idlewild, and Sandcastle have already announced they're going to be closed tomorrow.
Yeah, so it's going to be for the first part of the day. And then really through the afternoon, that system's going to stay so far east. It's going to move out so quick. So second part of the day, it really does look great, but we still have those heavy bands and it is weakening. It's now a tropical depression. So these remnants of Debbie approaching the region through late tonight. Winds right now are at 35 miles per hour and it's moving north-northwest at 10 miles per hour. So just looking at that area of low pressure moving north, and then that's going to push a little bit further to the north and off to the east. So yes, when we see this light shade of white, that is a cone of uncertainty, meaning that area of low pressure could shift a little bit further off to the west, but also mostly move off to a little bit further east. So that's just the cone of where that area of low pressure will lie. And that leaves us with a pretty sharp cutoff for precipitation expected tonight and tomorrow. And that's why we're really looking at that flood watch starting 8 o'clock tonight, going all the way through Friday night for just the ridges of Fayette, Westmoreland County, Indiana County, and also for places into the Laurel Highlands. These areas could pick up over several inches of rainfall. So just timing that out for you. When we see this rain moving in, it'll start approaching the region right after midnight for areas east, and then that's going to just continue to push off to the north and off to the east, bringing along with it heavy rain bands, and those are going to train over the same area through 7, 8 a.m., 9 o'clock in the morning, and then just left with a few scattered showers through the afternoon about 2 o'clock. There will be sunshine tomorrow for the second part of the day. It actually looks fantastic because some cooler, more comfortable air will filter in, and then that's going to stick around for the weekend. But in terms of how much precipitation some areas could see, now Pittsburgh, Butler really may not even pick up a 1/10 of an inch of rainfall, but then we're looking at that sharp cutoff. Places towards Indiana could pick up over a 1/2 of an inch, but then almost 2 inches in Johnstown, 1.5 inches for places north, and even for State College could pick up 3.5 inches, even Bedford estimates of 5 inches of rainfall. Those areas certainly need the rain because they are looking at extreme drought conditions, even severe drought. So they need the rain, but areas to the north of us, we're just looking at abnormally dry conditions, and we'll see that rain eventually catch up when the map gets issued on Thursday next week. Temperatures right now are into the low 80s. It was very hot and humid for areas off to the southwest, feeling in the low 90s. But just looking at our 7-day forecast, we really have some refreshing weather on the way, upper 70s on Saturday and Sunday. Big shock to the system from what we were seeing. 79 on Monday, Tuesday, right around 80 degrees. And then we stay into the low to mid 80s on Wednesday and Thursday with partly cloudy skies.
All right, thanks, Mary.